Hello, today's short video will present how to install an Underhill 2-wire decoder module in a Hunter ICC multi-wire controller. In this presentation, we're going to talk about what this 2-wire module will do, how to install, how to ground, what are the properties of the 2-wire decoder module, what do some of the error light messages represent, and then if you need additional help or technical support, where to obtain that. What do you say we get started? So the first thing we're going to do is verify that the Hunter controller is disconnected from 120 volt power. You either unplug it from a wall receptacle, or if it's hardwired, then temporarily remove the power module. Now we can remove the existing 8-station multi-wire module unless this is a retrofit application or a hybrid situation where the Underhill module may be located in one of these other positions. In this case, we're going to simply remove this module. So what does the Underhill 2-wire decoder module do? When installed in either a plastic or metal wall mount ICC2, it converts that controller from a maximum of 38 stations to 48 stations. Again, it can be located here in the upper left-hand position wholly for 2-wire or in a hybrid situation or application in either one of these three remaining positions. The first thing we want to do once it's installed is connect a ground wire to a ground plate, cold water ground, or ground rod depending on your site conditions. The ground terminal is located right here above the L1, L2 position. We'll take a moment to install it now. Now that we've installed the ground wire, now it's time to install our 2-wire path. In this case, we have two color-coded wires that will get attached or terminated in the L1, L2 position. It doesn't matter which color is installed where, but for consistency's sake, make sure that when you install your decoders in the field that the black wire and the red wire of the decoder are always attached to the same colored wire in your 2-wire path. Now that your 2-wire path is trenched and in the ground, you can now install your 2-wire decoders. The red and the black wires are connected to the 2-wire path, whereas the yellow wires are connected to the valve solenoid. But let's take a moment and talk a little bit about the properties of the 2-wire decoder module. Again, it can manage up to 48 stations. It will only send voltage down the 2-wire path when the Hunter ICC2 starts a scheduled start time, or from a manual start, or from a handheld command. If you initiate the 2-wire decoder module without any decoders attached, the red LED error will immediately illuminate and nothing will operate. If a red LED fault message is identified during scheduled irrigation, the Hunter clock will simply move to the next scheduled station in the program sequence, unless of course you have a broken field wire or a faulty wire connection that may result in signal not traveling further down the 2-wire path. I'm oftentimes asked, what does the red LED error light mean? In most 2-wire applications, it's one of 5 different conditions. The first may be a valve solenoid that has reached end of life and drawing too much current. It may also be a faulty decoder. But it may also be a break in the 2-wire path, or a wire connection that has failed or causing too much resistance, not allowing voltage downstream from that point, or lastly, a faulty wire connection that's sitting in a valve box full of water. Once those are troubleshooted, the system will operate as expected. So if you need additional information or want technical support, please contact us at 866-863-3477. Then wait for the voice prompt, enter number 4 for technical support, or email us underhill@uicorp.net. Thanks for watching.